How's it going, everyone? We are live for the 4-box break number 6 of Stature 1920 Stature Team Select. Good luck, everyone. This is the middle part of the case. The boxes number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we can do. Box number 1. If you are interested in some more breaks, we got a ultimate case up and a ultimate player break up on the eBay. We have the Facebook page, and we also have the Stature player break ending tonight in an hour. Let me just grab my knife real quick. Let's do it. Good luck, everyone. Got a new camera for this product, specifically for the Stature cards because they're super glary. So hopefully this makes the look a lot easier to focus and we get a better visual. Oh, good name on the back to start. The pickup on the drop team there. There's no payment on that team. Good luck. We start with the Columbus Blue Jackets. Elvis Merzlikins. Elvis Merzlikins rookie silver. Not numbered on that one. But very nice for Columbus to start us off. Elvis Merzlikins. Let me bring in the camera a little bit more. There we go. For Columbus. Next, we've got for the Buffalo Sabres, Rasmus Dahlin. Base for Buffalo. Dahlin. Behind that, we've got Taylor Hall, base for the New Jersey Devils. Taylor Hall. Behind that, we've got a nice one here for the Leafs. Ilya Mikheyev. Toronto Maple Leafs out of 399. Rookie. And a nice one here for Dallas. Rahit Gardner out of 149 for the Dallas Stars. Rahit Gardner. Next, we've got, wow, very nice, for Columbus again, Alexander Texier out of 75. Talk about a little bit of karma there. Congratulations, picking up the Columbus Blue Jackets, who were not paid for, and hitting 2 nice cards off the bat. Probably pays close to the spot. Texier for Columbus out of 75. Next, we've got an autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks, a Legends auto, Chris Chelios. Very nice. No numbering on that one, but gotta be a short print for Chicago. Chris Chelios. Congratulations, Chicago. Chris Chelios. Let me see if I can get the lighting a little more on here. There we go. For Chicago. And we've got a black. Good luck, everyone. We've got a black out of 15 for the Washington Capitals, John Carlson. Beautiful. Black out of 15, John Carlson for Washington. Very nice. Capitals, John Carlson. Good box number 1 there. Box number 2. From the back here to start, Adam Boqvist for the Chicago Blackhawks again. Boqvist, rookie, silver for Chicago. Adam Boqvist. Next, we've got Mike Modano. Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. Behind that, we've got Anders Lee. Anders Lee for the Islanders. For the New York Islanders, Anders Lee. Behind that, Cale Fleury for the Montreal Canadiens. Cale Fleury, Montreal, $3.99 rookie. And a Max Verano for the Ottawa Senators. Ottawa Senators, $3.99 rookie. Verano. There we go. We've got a green Oliver Ekman-Larsson for the for the Arizona Coyotes. OEL for Arizona. Ekman-Larsson. Next, we've got a blue. Wow, very nice. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, blue, Matt Murray. Matt Murray out of 35 for the Penguins. Matt Murray. Very nice card there for Pittsburgh. Matt Murray for the Penguins. Next, we've got a rookie autograph. Morgan Frost. Very nice for the Flyers, Morgan Frost. Rookie auto. For the Philadelphia Flyers. Congratulations to the Flyers spot. This guy's really good. Going to be a good prospect. Morgan Frost. And we've got another black. Guys, good luck. Another black. Wow. Mark Messier for the New York Rangers, black out of 15. Mark Messier. Wow. 2 blacks back to back for the Rangers. Beautiful. Imagine if one of those were like out of 2 or 1 of 1, but still. Cannot complain. 2 amazing blacks back to back. Mark Messier. For the Rangers. And there we have it. Box number 2. Very nice. Box number 3. Hope the camera's better, guys. Seems to be a lot more focus. I think I gotta increase my lighting just a little bit. It's not the focus this time, it's more the lighting. But normally when we started doing these 7:30, it was still light outside. Now it's completely pitch black. Just a matter of like a month change. We start with the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Claude Giroux for the Flyers, esteemed. Another one for the Flyers. Claude Giroux. Next, we've got for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane, base. And for the Vegas Golden Knights, Mark Stone. Mark Stone, base for Vegas. Next, we've got, oh wow, I just saw what was on the bottom. We've got a Cole Sherwood. Cole Sherwood out of 399. And guys, I think we have a Daniel Jurkatinen for the San Jose Sharks. San Jose. I think we have a 1-of-1. I think we have a 1-of-1 patch autograph coming up. I saw a patch on the bottom and it is purple. Oh boy. We've got for the for the Colorado Avalanche, very nice, Mikko Rantanen. Mikko Rantanen for Colorado out of 75. Very nice one there. Oh boy. Getting a little bit nervous. We've got Riley Stillman. Riley Stillman out of 199 rookie autograph for Florida. For the Florida Panthers, Riley Stillman. For the Panthers. Let me run and grab a one-touch real quick because I think this is going to be insane. Oh boy. This is going to be good. Good luck, everyone. We've got patch autograph. Oh, wow. Eric Brandstrom out of 18. It's not a 1-of-1, but wow, that is a sick card. Eric Brandstrom. I honestly didn't even know they made these variations. I haven't seen any of them. For the Ottawa Senators, congratulations, Eric Brandstrom, rookie patch autograph out of 18, 3 of 18. Wow. Beautiful card. A little bit of scratching by the numbering there, but very nice. That'll grab a one-touch. Let me know if you'd like tracking on that. Beautiful card. Congratulations, Ottawa. Eric Brandstrom. There's a nice view for it. For the Ottawa Senators. Thought it was a 1-of-1. Duped me a little bit there. But still, wow. Beautiful hit for Ottawa. Congratulations. That'll do it for box number 3. 3 really, really good boxes so far. Box number 4. And there's the serial number. Good luck, everyone. Final box of the break. Once again, the player break should be ending here in like 30 minutes, so make sure to check that out. Get your favorite players. I think we're gonna start more leaning towards the player breaks because the team breaks haven't been making enough money to provide the cost of the boxes for us, but player breaks always seem to do better. We've got Julian Gauthier. Julian Gauthier for the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina. Very nice. Gauthier, a rookie, not numbered. We've got a nice base on top. We've got an Austin Matthews base for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Austin Matthews. Next, we've got an Alexander Texier again. Columbus having a break out of 399. And wow, 99 of 99 for the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. Teemu Selanne, 99 of 99. Congratulations, Anaheim. That is a beautiful card. Last one printed. Nice. Next, we've got another Eric Brandstrom out of 85 for the Ottawa Senators. Very nice. Congratulations, Ottawa. Hope you PC this guy. That would be a crazy break. Let me just check the chat real quick. Oh, awesome, Casey. That's yours. Yeah, awesome. That's what I thought. I thought the glare would be better. We've got a nice one here. Alexander Barkov for the Florida Panthers. Nice one there out of 35. 35, Alexander Barkov. This is like an actual camera, so the glare is better, I would assume. And the focus. I don't think it ever goes out of focus, which is nice. Costed a lot of money, though. Alexander Barkov for the Panthers. KC, congrats on that Brandstrom. Awesome card there. Next, we've got, wow, nice one here, Oliver Wahlstrom. Oliver Wahlstrom out of 85, a rookie autograph for the Islanders. Very nice. Congratulations, New York Islanders, Wahlstrom, rookie auto. And we have another black. I can't make this up. 3 out of the 4 boxes, we're getting blacks in them. Normally those are like 1 per case if you're lucky. We're going to get a 3rd black in the 4-box break. Oliver Wahlstrom, nice one there. And our final card of the break, it's another black. Good luck, everyone. We've got a black. Hopefully it's a rookie. Wow. Doug Gilmour for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Black out of 15. Dougie Gilmour. Wow, this product is so good. 3 blacks in 4 boxes. Doug Gilmour, congrats, Toronto. And there we have it. That is the break. Very nice one. Congrats all those who hit. Make sure to check out the Facebook group if interested. If I do not accept you right away, just shoot me a PM on the eBay and let me know your username. 'Cause some accounts, I'm not sure who the name is. There we have it, guys. Congrats, everyone who hit, and thanks for joining. Take care and check out the eBay for more breaks. Thanks, everyone. Have a good night.